In this video, I'm going to share a pro tip, which is how to use eyeshadow as a bronzer. Step number 1 is to choose the right bronzing shadow. Now have a look at some of your eyeshadow palettes or even single eyeshadows and see what you could imagine using as a bronzing shadow. Now I've also prepared a few examples for you. Starting off with the Essence eyeshadow palette, where I could, for example, use this beautiful light matte brown shadow as a bronzer. Or for example, like the Zoefa palette, this brown shadow looks a bit different, but it still is light enough so that it can work as a bronzer. Or lastly, going into the Kryolan eyeshadow palette, where you can also find beautiful brown tones that you can use as a bronzer. Now of course, the finish depends on you. You can go with shimmery shadows so that you have a shimmery finish, or you can keep it matte. And it also depends on your skin tone, that if you're lighter you want to go with light browns, and also if you're deeper you want to go with deeper browns. Now the range of it is huge. Now let's get started with the tools that you will need. So once you figured out the shadow that will work for you, grab the palette and we are going to have a lot of fun with it. Then it also depends on the size of the pan, then you also want to change the brush. Now bigger brushes are a bit trickier, but you still can find medium-sized face brushes which will work perfect for bronzer. Now let's move on to the second step, which is applying the bronzing shadow. Next, use a face brush or a bronzer brush and start dabbing into your bronzer-like eyeshadow shade. Eyeshadow can be a bit stronger in color than actual bronzer, so make sure that you start slowly and build it up rather than using too much at once. Apply the bronzer where the sun would naturally hit your face, bronzing those parts, which would generally be your forehead, the top of your cheeks, your nose and maybe even your chin. Don't forget to blend the eyeshadow down to your neck as well for an even toned effect. Step number 3, blend, blend, blend. Use circular motions to blend the eyeshadow into your skin until the texture looks soft. You can always slowly start building the color by adding more if you so wish. Tip: if you add too much and you can't blend it properly, use another clean brush to even it out. And that's how you can repurpose eyeshadow as a bronzer. Now this is how you can use eyeshadow as a bronzer. And if you're going to apply the bronzer, then this won't take no time. It's more like choosing the right color that will fit with your skin tone. Now this is a tutorial that I wanted to share with you, and I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for your support. This is an independent channel, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!